Name of countries and nationalities. Davlatlarning nomlari va millatlari. O'zbekiston, O'zbek, United States, American, AQSh, Amerikalik, United Kingdom, British, Buyuk Britaniya, Britaniyalik, Russia, Russian, Rossiya, Rossiyalik, China, Chinese, Xitoy, Xitoylik, Japan, Japanese, Yaponiya, Yaponiyalik, South Korea, Korean, Janubiy Koreya, Koreyalik, Turkey, Turkish, Turkiya, Turkiyalik, Germany, German, Germaniya, Nemis, France, Fransiya, French, Fransuz, Italy, Italian, Italiya, Italian, Spain, Spanish, Ispaniya, Ispan, Canada, Canadian, Canada, Kanadalik, Australia, Australian, India, Indian, Hindiston, Hind, Saudi Arabia, Saudi, Saudiya Arabistoni, Saudiyalik, United Arab Emirates, Emirate, Birlashgan Arab Amirligi, Amirlik, Brazil, Brazilian, Braziliya, Brazilian, Egypt, Egyptian, Misr, Misrlik, Kazakhstan, Kazakh, Qozog'iston, Qozogʼ. For example, misollar: I am Uzbek, men O'zbekman. I am from Uzbekistan, men O'zbekistondanman. She is American, u amerikalik. She is from the United States, u AQShdan. They are British, ular Britaniyalik. They are from the United Kingdom, ular Buyuk Britaniyadan.